Assalamu alaikum students. Student of class 9th. It is the last chapter of your first term, the role of women in the Pakistan movement. Students, in this lecture I'll provide you the notes of this chapter. Now take out your copies and start writing the work. Question number 1. How did the Muslim women work for independence? Answer. The Muslim women took an active part in the struggle for Pakistan side by side with men. They formed the women branch of the Muslim League to organize women. They traveled to the countryside to tell the Muslim women about the politics of the country. They opened classes to educate Muslim girls. They also addressed public meetings. They met wives and daughters of the British Viceroy officers and made them realize that their demand was just. Come to the second question. Who was Bi Amma and why is she remembered till today? And the answer is Bi Amma was the mother of Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Shaukat Ali. She is remembered till today because she was a selfless and courageous woman. She had not been to school or college. Her greatness lies in the fact that she taught her son to be willing to sacrifice his life for Islam. Question number 3. Why is Miss Fatma Jinnah called Madre Millat? Answer. Miss Fatma Jinnah is younger sister of Quaid-e-Azam. She helped her brother in the struggle for Pakistan and took an active part in the independence movement. It was through her that Muslim women were able to seek Quaid-e-Azam guidance. Therefore, she is called Madre Millat, which means mother of the nation. Question number 4. What did Begum Rana Liaquat Ali do to awake the Muslim women? Answer. Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan was the wife of Liaquat Ali Khan. She took an active part in the freedom movement. She arranged parties where Muslim women could meet the wives and the daughter of Viceroy so as to make them realize that their demand was just. She also organized Women Volunteer Service and Women National Guard. What was question number 5? What was the contribution of Begum Muhammad Ali in the freedom movement? Answer is Begum Muhammad Ali Khan not only attended men public meeting but also women to address them. She spoke in simple words and natural tone but very effectively. Her opinion was highly respected and the Quaid-e-Azam held her in great esteem. She also wrote for the press. Question number 6. Name any 4 women who played vital role in the Pakistan movement. Answer is these 4 ladies who took an active part in the Pakistan movement are Miss Fatma Jinnah, Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan, Lady Nusrat Haroon, Begum Muhammad Ali. Now start with the next page. Fill in the blanks. Blank number 1. The first meeting of women in Sindh was held in Karachi Zoological Garden. Second is Begum Muhammad Ali in burqa dressed. Number 3 was the mother of Maulana Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, Bi Amma. Number 4, Miss Fatma Jinnah was called Madre Millat. Number 5, worked as an honorary secretary, Begum Rana Liaquat Ali. 6, Madre Millat mean mother of the nation. Number 7. Quaid-e-Azam became the president of All India Muslim League in dash 1934. Number 8. Aged Abadi Begum, popularly known as dash B. Amma. Number 9. Lady Nusrat Haroon worked for the Muslim women in dash Sindh. Jahan Ara Shah Nawaz represented dash province, Punjab province. Now start with the next page. RTC reference to contest. Write down this text. A long and hard struggle followed. Not only did the men take part, women also actively participated in this glorious struggle. Question number 1. Name the chapter, the role of women in the Pakistan movement. Question number 2. What did they followed? Answer, a long and hard struggle followed. Question number 3. What did Muslim women and men participate? Men and women actively participated in this struggle. Now student, what you have to do, you have to complete your work up till this 8th chapter of your literature portion. Kindly complete your work, bring your copies for correction, and those who have left for the test, kindly visit school between 9 to 12:30 timing. The teachers were there to guide you or to assist you or to help you out regarding the test. You may come in between these timing from 9 to 12:30, okay, and bring your copy work as well for the correction, and bring your assignment also. Assignment had been given to you previously in the first week of I think so August, regarding the language work. Transformation of sentences have been given. 3 exercises have been given to you, and you people didn't submit it to me. Kindly complete your assignment, bring your assignment by entitling your name and everything according to my instructions, and submit it to me, because assignment contain marks, okay. Don't take it easy ke you people don't get the marks. These marks, test marks, assignment marks, all these marks should be added in the first term in your report card, okay. So kindly complete your work, bring your work completely done by you with complete syllabus, index and everything, because today is the last chapter of literature which I had done with you. Kindly complete it and bring it in the school timing from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But your 9th and metric day is Wednesday. You have to positively be there. Your attendance will be marked also. Kindly take it serious, because from 15th of September your schools may be inshallah opened, and we will first revise this, and then the second term will be started onwards, okay. Don't take it easy. Come to school with complete SOPs. Don't come without mask and gloves. Kindly come with complete SOPs. I'll be there to help you out, okay students. Stay blessed and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.